Hello, this is Glen, and I want to first thank you for being here at Travel with Glen. And today, let's travel to Ely, Minnesota. This charming town, nestled in the heart of northern Minnesota, is a true gem for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike.
Ely is known as the gateway to the Boundary Waters, a vast and pristine wilderness area that stretches for over 1 million acres across northern Minnesota and into Canada.
Our journey into Ely's story begins with the clang of hammers and the rumble of mine carts. Long before it was a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, Ely was a boomtown built on iron ore. The rich iron deposits beneath the forests transformed this quiet corner of Minnesota into a hive of industrial activity.
As the decades passed, the fortunes of Ely's mining industry began to shift. The once abundant iron ore deposits dwindled, and the boomtown's frenetic pace slowed. Yet this transition allowed Ely to rediscover its connection to the natural world. The town made a conscious decision to embrace its natural heritage, marking the beginning of Ely's transformation into the gateway to the Boundary Waters.
With the decline of mining, Ely's identity began to shift. The town embraced its new role as a gateway to pristine wilderness, catering to those seeking solace and adventure. Ely's people found new purpose in guiding visitors through the intricacies of the Boundary Waters. Now let's step into the heart of the Boundary Waters Canoe Area Wilderness. Imagine a place where the only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against your canoe and the whisper of wind through the trees. This is the Boundary Waters, a 1 million-acre expanse of pristine wilderness straddling the Minnesota-Canada border.
The best way to experience the Boundary Waters is the way the Ojibwe people have for centuries, by canoe. As you dip your paddle into the crystal clear water, you'll feel a sense of freedom and connection to the landscape. The Boundary Waters is a choose-your-own adventure story written in water and stone.
The Boundary Waters is more than just a scenic backdrop, it's teeming with life. As you paddle through this pristine wilderness, keep your eyes peeled for the creatures that call this place home. The animals of the Boundary Waters are a reminder that you are a visitor in their home, a guest in a delicate ecosystem. Ely's commitment to conservation runs deep, woven into the very fabric of the community. It's a place where people understand that the pristine beauty of the Boundary Waters requires vigilant stewardship. This commitment is reflected in the numerous organizations and initiatives dedicated to protecting this wilderness. The International Wolf Center, located just outside of Ely, is a testament to the town's commitment to understanding and coexisting with these often maligned creatures. Here, you can come face to face with gray wolves, observing their social interactions and learning about their crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The center's mission goes beyond simply dispelling myths. It's about fostering a deeper appreciation for these intelligent and social animals. Just down the road from the International Wolf Center lies another institution dedicated to promoting coexistence with wildlife, the North American Bear Center. Here, you can delve into the fascinating world of black bears, learning about their biology, behavior, and the challenges they face in a changing world. The center's mission is to replace fear with knowledge, fostering a deeper understanding of these often misunderstood creatures. Ely's heartbeat echoes the rhythm of the wilderness, each season painting the landscape in vibrant hues and offering unique adventures for those drawn to its embrace. When the summer sun stretches long fingers across the sky, casting a warm glow upon the land, Ely awakens to the joyous bustle of paddlers and hikers. The air, thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth, hums with the anticipation of exploration. Canoes, laden with gear and dreams of secluded campsites, glide across the mirrored surfaces of lakes, their wakes rippling the tranquility like whispered secrets. Trails, winding through forests, painted in every shade of green imaginable, beckon hikers deeper into the wilderness, each step a symphony of crunching leaves and bird song. Fishing rods cast into the cool depths of hidden streams, promise encounters with walleye, northern pike, and the elusive muskellunge, their scales shimmering like jewels beneath the sun-dappled water. As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp with the promise of autumn, a different kind of magic descends upon Ely. The forests, ablaze with fiery hues of scarlet, gold, and crimson, transform into a breathtaking spectacle of nature's artistry. The air, cool and invigorating, carries the scent of decaying leaves and the distant calls of migrating geese. This is a time for quiet contemplation, for soaking in the beauty of the changing seasons, and for reflecting on the adventures that have passed and those yet to come. As the first snowflakes of winter begin to fall, transforming the landscape into a pristine wonderland, Ely embraces a different kind of magic. Gone are the vibrant greens and blues of summer, replaced by a serene palette of whites, grays, and silvers. The air, crisp and invigorating, bites at your cheeks, while the silence, broken only by the crunch of footsteps on fresh snow, amplifies the sense of solitude and wonder. This is a time for embracing the elements, for testing your limits, and for discovering the hidden beauty of the North Woods in its winter slumber. Dog sleds, pulled by teams of huskies eager to run, slice through the snow-covered forests, their breath misting in the frosty air, the rhythmic panting of the dogs, the only sound breaking the stillness. Cross-country skiers, their skis etching graceful patterns across the pristine snow, glide through silent forests, the sun low on the horizon, casting long ethereal shadows across their path. Snowshoes, their wide frames preventing you from sinking into the deep drifts, allow you to explore the backcountry at your own pace, discovering hidden frozen waterfalls and the tracks of elusive creatures that brave the winter elements. Ice fishing, a beloved pastime in these parts, offers a unique way to connect with nature. The anticipation of a tug on the line, a welcome break from the quiet contemplation of a frozen lake. Winter in Ely is a time for embracing the extraordinary, for finding beauty in the starkness, and for discovering the resilience of both nature and the human spirit. As winter tightens its grip on Ely, the town bursts into life with a celebration that captures the spirit of the season, the Ely Winter Festival. This cherished tradition, held annually in February, is a testament to the community's resilience, creativity, and deep connection to the natural world. For a few magical weeks, the streets of Ely transform into a winter wonderland, adorned with shimmering ice sculptures that glitter like diamonds under the clear, cold sky. The air, filled with the scent of wood smoke and the sound of laughter, crackles with anticipation as artists from across the region gather to compete in the festival's centerpiece event, the ice carving competition. Chainsaws whine, ice chips fly, and massive blocks of ice, harvested from the frozen surface of nearby Shigawa Lake, are transformed into intricate works of art, from majestic eagles soaring through frozen waves to whimsical snowmen frozen in mid-dance. These ephemeral masterpieces capture the beauty and fleeting nature of winter itself. But the Ely Winter Festival is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a celebration of community, a time for friends and neighbors to gather, share stories around bonfires, and revel in the magic of the season. There's something for everyone at the festival, from snowshoeing excursions and dog sledding demonstrations to live music performances and culinary delights that warm the body and soul. The Ely Winter Festival is a reminder that even in the depths of winter, the human spirit, much like the natural world, finds ways to thrive, adapt, and create moments of joy and connection. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long ethereal shadows across the boundary waters, a hush falls over Ely. The air, cool and crisp after the day's adventures, carries the scent of pine needles and wood smoke, a comforting aroma that lingers in the air long after the last campfire has dwindled to embers. The stars, freed from the glare of the sun, emerge in the velvety sky, their distant light twinkling like diamonds scattered across a dark canvas. This is a time for reflection, for sharing stories around crackling fires, and for listening to the whispers of the wilderness as it settles into its nocturnal rhythms. In the cozy confines of a cabin nestled among the trees, or gathered around a flickering lantern on a rocky outcropping overlooking a still lake, tales are spun, memories shared, and laughter echoes into the night. Perhaps it's the story of a close encounter with a moose wading in a misty bay, its massive antlers silhouetted against the dawn sky, or the tale of a heart-stopping moment when a bald eagle swooped down from the heavens, its talons outstretched to snatch a fish from the water's surface. Or maybe it's simply the quiet satisfaction of a day spent exploring hidden trails, the only sounds the crunch of leaves beneath your boots and the distant drumming of a woodpecker. Whatever the story it's told, with a passion that comes from a deep connection to this wild and beautiful place, a connection that transcends words and speaks to something primal within us all.
Ely is more than just a gateway to the Boundary Waters. It's a testament to the power of place to shape a community's identity and values. From its roots as a bustling mining town to its current incarnation as a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and conservationists, Ely has always been defined by its relationship with the natural world. This legacy is etched into the very fabric of the town, from the weathered faces of its longtime residents, who carry the stories of generations past in their eyes, to the vibrant murals that adorn the sides of buildings, depicting scenes of wilderness adventures and celebrating the creatures that call this place home. It's a legacy that's passed down from one generation to the next, not through words, but through shared experiences, through the thrill of paddling a canoe across a glassy lake as the sun rises over the horizon, through the quiet satisfaction of casting a fishing line into a secluded stream, through the awe-inspiring sight of the Milky Way arching across a star-filled sky. Ely is a place where people understand that the true measure of a life well lived isn't found in material possessions or social status, but in the depth of one's connection to the natural world, in the memories forged in the crucible of adventure, and in the legacy of stewardship passed down to future generations.
Our journey through Ely and the Boundary Waters comes to an end, but the memories we've made and the lessons we've learned will stay with us long after we've left this magical place. We've explored the town's rich history, witnessed the breathtaking beauty of the wilderness, and discovered the passionate commitment to conservation that defines this community. We've paddled through pristine waterways, hiked through ancient forests, and encountered creatures great and small. Each encounter a reminder of the delicate balance of life that exists in this special place. But most importantly, we've experienced the transformative power of nature to inspire awe, ignite our sense of adventure, and connect us to something larger than ourselves. So, until next time, Ely, may your forests forever stand tall, your waters flow clear, and your wild spirit continue to inspire generations to come. And to all of you watching, we encourage you to seek out your own Ely, your own boundary waters, wherever in the world that may be. Go explore, go discover, and let the wild beauty of nature fill your soul. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you found value in our video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Travel with Glen for more inspiring journeys into the heart of nature. Until next time, happy trails.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure a memory we keep. Join the journey, share the thrill. Every video brings a new chill. From bustling